That'll change this rainy day is chicken flavored ramen. I have all the stuff going on in here. Wait, is there nothing after this thing? Wait, is there any, there's nothing about, yeah, because okay, you guys can see like good things. So yeah, just starting making some ramen for myself. Let's pour a noodle. This is getting really hot. Let's pour a noodle out. Let's try a noodle. Eh? Perfect. Let's go. Now we're on the most difficult process of them all. Getting it out of the stuff. So let's get our strainer. Here it is. It's pretty tiny. Let's just use it anyway. It won't fit. Okay, whatever. Alright, now we're gonna get the gloves on. Where are the gloves? Where did they put the gloves? Ramen is my go-to food on the weekends where you don't have anything to eat. Where is the gloves? I can't find them. There's no gloves. Don't tell me they didn't have. No. Don't get this light on, because there we go. A little bit better. Now the most delicate part of the process. The chicken flavoring. Alright, so now you want to open this up. And I don't know how I'm going to do this with the camera. Hold on, rip it off. Just rip it off, just a little bit. Just a little tear. I don't think I even got anything out. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Got a little slit in there. Now let's add the flavor. Oh yes, it's beautiful. There it is. The ramen, the chicken flavored ramen. Yes.